Hi Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Libra, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Libra, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of March 2021. Let's see what we have for your energy here Libra. Also Libra, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Libra, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into the channel message from your person here Libra. Okay, so on this side here is your energy and on this side here is your person energy Libra, but again due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I'm getting for you here Libra, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm also getting like a very strong Aries energy coming up here, so fire sign Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, as well as Aquarius. So air sign Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Now looking at your energy here Libra, I've got the Eight of Swords coming up here. I've got the Judgment card, the Star energy, and then I've got the Page of Cups coming up here. The first thing that I'm picking up for you here Libra is that I'm getting a very strong confusion and feeling trap energy coming up here, especially with this Eight of Swords, and then I've also got the Chariot energy coming up here. So I feel like is that you want to move out of this relationship or you want to move on from this particular situation, maybe because of the separation that has been a while between both of you here. So you just like not sure what you need to do, like what you need to focus on here. I would say here Libra, like you feel like this separation has been going on for quite a while, especially with this communication blockage that I've got for you here. I do feel like there is like a very strong communicational blockage, or at least just the block within this separation that has been going on for quite a while here Libra, and you just like not sure what to do. And at the same time here with this Page of Cups energy, I'm also getting like for those of you here who are currently in a separation, or just generally here, I feel like this is like most of the cases I would say here is that you are like there are a lot more people who are actually flirting with you, I would say here Libra, at least like flirting with you and like trying to give you out, like trying to ask you out for dinner, basically like trying to get your attention, I would say here. So I do feel like this is where the confusion or just like feeling trapped coming in within yourself here, like you want to move on, at least you want to try to dating another people, or like trying to just like go out there, putting yourself out there here. But that is like within yourself here, you may feel like you are betraying your person, or you may feel like, okay, is this even the right thing for me to do? So there are a lot of confusion and doubts within yourself here. And surprisingly here, I've got the Judgment energy and the Star energy coming up here. So what you need to do here Libra is just that releasing your energy, in a sense that releasing and surrendering to the out. What do I mean by that here, especially with this Star energy here? This is basically talking about a very, very strong healing energy coming up here. Dating another person, or at least putting yourself out there to just meet other people, to just like going out to be meeting other people, or at least like communicating with other people, talking with other people. Dating other people is definitely fine, like there is no issue on that. But what you need to understand here is that have you fully healed from this separation? Have you fully healed from the triggers that might have happened between you and your person prior to the separation, I would say here Libra, because the Star energy and the Judgment card is coming up very, very strongly. Some of you here are quite judgmental. I won't say quite judgmental, it's like you are your own worst critic, I would say here Libra. So this is also another thing that needs to change here. I do feel like some of you here being too hard or too harsh on yourself, so try to at least letting go of letting go of the expectation, in a sense that it's okay to have expectation, but try to not push yourself or try to not punish yourself that much just because you cannot reach that particular expectation within yourself here. Remember, this journey, especially when it comes into healing and transformation within yourself here, is a baby step. It's like a slow process energy here, Libra. So try to not rush into it, try to not push into the limit, I would say here, Libra. So just take your time and just let it happen by its own. So it's totally fine for you to meet other people. It's totally fine for you to just put yourself out there, I would say here. Now looking at your person energy is also quite interesting here. I've got the Emperor, I've got the Knight of Cups, and then I've also got the Ace of Cups energy coming up here with the Seven of Cups energy coming up from your person. So it's quite interesting because both of you are mirroring up each other here. When you are feeling trapped, when you're feeling confused within yourself here, your person on the other hand is also feeling confused within themselves. I do feel like your person has been the runner for quite the longest time, I would say here. And the thing here is that when your person running away from you here, they tend to be running away like by throwing themselves into work, by throwing themselves into like some sort of, like for example, work related situation, or just trying to shift their focus into something else, I would say here, Libra. And I'm also getting like a very strong Queen of Wands energy coming up here. So there might also be some sort of, like for example, a mother issue or like a feminine energy that is currently controlling them as well. So this is also another reason why they cannot fully come towards you. They cannot fully open and asking you out or be in a relationship with you here, Libra. And with this Knight of Cups energy, like I said, it's quite interesting because on one hand you are actually getting a lot of offer towards you, or a lot of flirty messages coming up towards you. A lot of people are lining up to be dating you here, and on this side here, your person, they are dreaming about asking you out. They are dreaming about officially going out with you, I would say here, Libra. Like they're actually dreaming of having that courage to ask you out and to just be officially together, I would say here. And the thing is that they do not have that courage at this point of time because there are some sort of like karmic situation, or at least some sort of like blockage, because I'm getting like a very, very strong mother figure energy coming up here. So this could be a third party situation, or could also be like a toxic friend and toxic family members coming up here. And what I've got here, Libra, is that I've got the Emperor energy coming up here, and then I've also got the Ace of Cups energy coming up here as well. So I feel like your person is actually doing their best to heal all of this emotional pain, emotional trauma within themselves here. And with this healing of the emotional pain and the emotional trauma here, this is what going to make them leveling up or maturing up to be person that they're supposed to be here, Libra. Like they're finally going to break free from all of this toxic energy, finally going to break free from all of this negative energy within themselves here. And the moment that happens, they're going to come towards you and offering you a new committed relationship, or offering you a new beginning here. And when that happens, there are no more wishy-washy energy here, Libra. Like they have come to that particular maturity level here that they're going to give you all in, I would say here. And this is why the channel message that I've got for you here, Libra, I've got release your past, learn from it, and then I've also got communicational blockage at this point of time. So the communication between both of you might not be coming up with the flow, I would say. Like might not be going out with the flow here. Like there could be like on and off communication, or just totally no communication at all, I would say here, with this communicational blockage. So one thing that you need to focus on healing here, Libra, is that releasing your past, learn from it. So you need to release all this energy. Like I said in the beginning here, you need to go through all of this healing energy here with this star energy, healing all of this past issue and past trauma, especially the issue that might have caused the separation between both of you in the first place. And I've also got legal system and legal issue coming up here. So either you or your person could also be like currently struggling or currently dealing with some sort of like legal system and legal issue. Could be, for example, like divorce, legal separation, child support and child custody issue here, Libra. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it resonates with you, Libra, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.